Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Steve up in Maine on this RCI-2970N3. Steve, got you ready to go, bud. Replaced the RT1s, the RT6s. They were blown in the amp section. Real common problem with these N3s. Did a tune on the radio. You didn't want the clarifier unlocked. We left that alone. Did the Sheba regulator upgrade, high cut filter. Let's just get right to it here. Start the RF power all the way down. 1,000-watt slug right here. Got you about 35-40 watts all the way down, which is plenty low for something doing this much. Roll it up. 125. Show you average power swing. Ooh, oh, right at 300 watts. 1,000-watt slug and peak. Low, 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 low. Over 600. Now we're gonna go over here. Upper sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Check, check, check. 1, 2. Hello. Audio, audio, audio. Over 500 on sideband. All right, Steve, we'll get it out to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Charlie at truckcbsales.com.